This plastic pipe welder is exactly twice as efficient as the ones lying on the bottom shelves in construction hypermarkets. It works not only with the inserted pipe, but also with the receiving plug or adapter. The body of the device has 3 sleeves for pipes of different diameters. On the left, the pipe itself is inserted and the device melts its upper edge, and on the right, the adapter or plug is put on and the device softens the plastic inside. 5 seconds and everything is ready for gluing. Who wants to try to break such a connection? The cost of the machine is $79.